Onn TV not responding, remote not working, or screen stuck? This video is about resetting an Onn TV. In this video, I will show you different reset methods for Onn TV models when apps don't open, the TV freezes, or controls stop working. First, it's important to know which type of Onn TV you are using because reset steps change based on the model. Onn TVs usually come as Onn Roku TV, Onn Google TV, or Android TV, and Onn non-smart TV. Some reset methods need a working remote, while others work without it. So identifying your TV type helps you follow the correct steps. If your TV is an Onn Roku TV, you will see the Roku logo when it turns on, and this model gives you a few reset options. When the remote is working and the TV menu is accessible, you can do a factory reset directly from Settings. You go into Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and select Factory Reset. Choose Factory Reset Everything. Enter the code shown on the screen and confirm. This method works best when the TV is responding normally, but you want a full reset. If the Roku TV is frozen, slow, or not responding properly, a soft reset using the remote buttons can help. You press the home button 5 times, then press up once, then press rewind 2 times, and fast forward 2 times. The TV will restart automatically. This does not delete any data and is useful for fixing freezing or lag issues. When the Roku remote is not working at all, you can reset the TV using the physical reset button. This button is a small pinhole usually found on the back or side of the TV near the ports. Make sure the TV is turned on before doing this. Use a pen or pin, press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds, and do not release it early. Letting go too soon will only restart the TV. Keep holding until the Roku logo appears, then release and wait while the factory reset completes. If your Onn TV runs Google TV or Android TV, the reset process is a little different. When the remote is working, you can reset it through the menu by going to Settings, then System, then About, and selecting Reset or Factory Reset. Choose Erase Everything and confirm. This option is recommended when you can still access the TV settings. If the remote is not available on an Onn Google TV, you can use the hardware reset method. Look for a small reset button or pinhole on the device. Start by unplugging the power cable. Press and hold the reset button, then plug the power cable back in while still holding the button. Keep holding until the recovery screen appears. Use short presses to move through the options and a long press to select. Choose Wipe Data or Factory Reset and wait for the process to finish. For Onn non-smart TVs, the reset is more basic and mainly focuses on power resetting. A simple power cycle reset can fix many issues. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 to 30 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. If the non-smart TV has physical buttons and the remote is not available, you may be able to reset it using the TV buttons. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons together for 10 to 15 seconds while the TV is plugged in. What happens next depends on the model, but the TV may restart or reset. If a reset does not work the first time, there are a few things to double check. Make sure the TV is powered on when using a reset button. Hold the reset button long enough and avoid releasing it early. Try a power cycle reset before doing a factory reset. Check the back and sides of the TV carefully to locate the correct reset pinhole. Once the reset starts, be patient because the process can take 1 to 2 minutes to complete. That's it for this video on how to reset an Onn TV using different methods. I hope these step-by-step resets help you fix issues like a frozen screen, apps not opening, or a remote that isn't working. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. If you have a question or one of these reset methods worked for you, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.